How to fix Valorant, a critical error has occurred. The process must be terminated. Now, first thing you want to do is make sure that your Valorant is currently not running on your PC. To do so, right click on your taskbar, go to Task Manager. Now you'll have to look for your Valorant application right here if it is currently running. If you look for it, you just have to go ahead and right click and then click End Task. Now next thing is go to Details and then again look for your Valorant application, right click and click on End Process Tree. Now next thing to do is you go ahead to your search bar right here and type in percent local app data percent, then hit on enter. Now from here, you'll have to look for your Valorant folder. Simply click on or press on V on your keyboard and double click on your Valorant folder. Now you'll have to delete all these four folders right here. Now once you deleted that, go back to your Windows search and then type in services. Hit on enter. Now from here, you'll have to look for VGC. Just press V on your keyboard. Now I haven't installed VGC on my PC yet, but if you look for one, just right click on that and then go to properties. Now from properties, make sure that the start type is set as automatic and just go ahead and click on start. Now once you've done this method, just restart your PC and try to relaunch the game. So those are the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix Valorant. A critical error has occurred. The process must be terminated.